Hey guys, Dan, House Washing Hero, just knocking over this little house in Albany Creek. So we're doing this driveway here, sloping down into the road. So we've got our water control system down the bottom there, keeping everything out of any stormwater drainage. We've got these eaves, paved area, and the surprise one for this job is an incredible number of pavers. So if you have a look all the way up there, and these pavers are all needing to be individually hit. So this is just some of the surprises that we get sometimes. Half of them are actually not too bad, but the ones that are getting exposed to the weather, these ones here, all are going to need individual hitting. So because we've got the other ute was handy, was available, we brought the other ute around so that we can have both of the utes doing what they need to do. So you can see around the side here, Callum doing all these ones over here. And you see that Callum has done all the way around. Having fun there, Cal? Always there. He started there and now he's all the way around here and around to the front. So yeah, but with the two utes and the three of us knocking them out, won't take too long. Alright, have a good week. Bye.